Baal Shem Tov taught about these different worlds, Assiya, Yetzirah, Beria, Atzilut, Adam Kadmon, that a person can attain. And by this, he attracted people, and he got students that he taught to be teachers, and they brought this wisdom to the masses. And those who were not at a great level of spiritual yearning, he taught them a principle that is close to attainment of the Creator, but not yet attainment of the Creator. What was it? He basically taught them, love your neighbor as yourself, and don't do to others what you hate. And he taught that you need to be in unity with others. And what does unity means? It means that with those that are close to you and in wider circles until it includes the whole world, you need to be in balance. And this is a sort of pared down version of the balance that you need to attain with the Creator, whereby you become equal with Him. So the masach, the screen, the spiritual screen, is this harmonizing factor by which you harmonize with all of nature, which is really just the Creator. The Creator is called nature. His laws are nature's laws. Beyond the laws of our world, there's also more laws, spiritual laws pertaining to the world of Assiya, Yetzirah, Beria, and so on. And he taught them that if you weren't ready for the full wisdom of Kabbalah, where over your desire, your entire desire, including all of it, everything that you are, which is just desire at bottom, that's all you have. Over that, you put this screen, and to the extent that you increase this screen, you have like this flashlight by which you can see further into the spiritual worlds. If you weren't ready for that, a pared down version of it is just be in balance with that which is around you. So it's a kind of integral education to understand that you are in connection with everyone around you, and you need to balance with them. You need to be in connection with them. You need to be in unity with them. And you need to start this unity with those that are closest to you. And this was called the Torah of the Baal Shem Tov. In these circles where Baal Shem Tov students taught, they taught this integral education, and correctly taught by one who is connected to the upper world, a person, even if they don't have a great longing for spirituality, starts feeling that in this connection with other people who are also oriented toward the Creator, you start to feel something that is otherworldly. Baal Shem Tov got a lot of followers. He became very well respected, famous, even though he was hated at the same time by those who thought that he shouldn't be opening this up to everybody. And so the people started feeling that there was something special in this man, in this teaching. And those close to him, those 30 or so students, he was able to bring them to a connection with the spiritual world.